Yes, there's also a crinoid up here that I almost hit with the pilot cam.
It's a lovely crinoid.
Big.
It's a big crinoid. Yes,
Look
it
at that.
is.
Very big one.
Tyler, can we please get the lasers on?
Sure. Can
And
we get the lasers there, Craig?
and if you can take a look at the center of the real star
on.
Sure.
of the crinoid. I mean,
There they are. That's
We
a
can
big
give that a
crinoid.
try.
Look
That
at
is impressive. Right there. All right, look at the center. We might have to do that floating.
Yeah.
I don't see anywhere to set down and look
It's
at
at
the
a
center.
somewhat uncooperative angle of the dangle for you.
It is. So we'll tip up here and try to come down and we'll see what we can see.
You put your rail to the wall.
I could, but they want to see right into the middle of it here.
Yeah.
So if you want to go ahead and try to zoom here, video,
All right.
I'll do the best I can to keep you in frame.
Appreciate the help. That's an idea of the size of the center. Thank you. That's full tight, so.
Oh.
Yeah, give you a little zoom there. Let me get that center in focus there. It's just not quite visible.
Yeah, we got to try to lateral over to the side here.
I'll give you a pull out wide for you a little bit. And maybe you should kick the lasers off. We don't want to scare the crinoid. I mean,
Lasers are off.
crinoid. I mean,
Lasers are off.
love to have that.
Pretty good. All right, go ahead, video.
Yeah, that's great. Just a bit out of the light, unfortunately. You can see the base. I'm not sure what more I can do there. We got a little detail there. Here we go. We're getting a little favorable float here. There we go. Another elusive focus. There's something in the center. There's like a bright spot. Just above the. What that is? Something stuck in there. I guess it's about to munch on. Start pulling wide. Alrighty.
Alrighty, indeed. Alright, I'm just going to keep pushing out east here.
EX, this is Seattle doing an audio test.
15 meters away
Over.
from me, and you are
I can hear you,
3
Seattle.
meters below me.
Copy that.
Could you repeat that?
I said I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, we can hear you not as loud and not so clear, but it's, at least we can hear you.
Copy that.
Thanks.
Now this is science.
Go ahead, Science.
Yeah, I think it would be a good idea just start moving, or yeah, start moving to the first waypoint.
Okay. Slow move.
Yes, slow.
1
0.1 knots.
Okay, roger that.
Thank you.
Another big crinoid. Look at that.
Yeah, that one's
That's a cool.
pretty significant size.
The land of the large crinoids.
Yeah.
With the occasional sea anemone.
Me,
Uh,
I will pull the camera platform up 5 or 10 meters.
Copy that. Alright, video. We're pretty stable here.
Alright. Go ahead and go in for a look. Maybe you could tilt down just a touch. Going a little bit tighter. Improve the
That's 5 meters up, pilot.
contrast a little
Copy
bit.
that. Sounds like we're going to be heading upslope shortly here.
Okay.
So that should keep you on your toes.
You could just tilt up a little bit, pilot.
Bridges is RV nav. Yes, we'd like to call in a move, please. Heading of 352 degrees. Distance 556 meters at 0.1 knot. Correct, thank you. All right. Pilots, we are about to initiate a move to due north, around 352 bearing, at about 550 meters to the next waypoint.
Copy that.
I don't know if you gentlemen want to put the laser so they can get an idea of size.
Lasers are on.
Okay, there we go. Yeah,
Just a little guy.
just a little guy.
All right, ready to move on, video?
Right on. Yeah, we're good to go.
All right. All right, so you're looking east at me. We're gonna go north. So I'm gonna come around and move northwest to get out in front of you.
Now this is science.
Go ahead, Science.
Can you give me an estimated time at bottom for this dive?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you.
All right, video. I think we're clear. Our
Roger
subject
that.
is gonna cooperate here. I'm not sure.
May want to douse the lasers.
Lasers are off.
Thank you.
Do we have a guess as to which waypoint that we'll be able to make it to today?
I'm not sure about that, Nav.
Thank you, pilot. That is full tight. On top of this guy.
Very nice.
You must be right on top of this guy.
I think, yeah, he's about 6 inches from the camera.
Do some gut studies.
I'm nearly at the edge of our focal range here. In fact, yeah, I got a little bit.
Yeah, I think we're gonna come off the
Yeah,
wall here at some point.
Yeah, you got a little bit of cable. Not much,
Well,
though.
it's not the cable as much as I'm kind of balancing on the right front skid here. And
You are indeed.
at some point, as I rotate, I'm just gonna fall off this rock.
Yes, you are.
Science? This is Nav.
Go ahead now.
If we have an estimated depth of 1,250 meters, our transit time to the surface will be about 1 hour.
Good look at the tail.
Which means if we're shooting to be on deck, estimated depth of 1,250 meters, our transit time to the surface will be about 1 hour.
Good look at the tail.
Which means if we're shooting to be on deck by 4:30 to 4:45 again, then we'll need to leave probably about 3:30, 3:45.
Okay, copy that. Thank you.
That gives us roughly 5.5 hours.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're full wide pilot.
Copy that. All right, off to new adventures, I think.
this is science.
Go ahead, Science.
Can we do a quick zoom in this whip coral, please?
Sure.
Just look at the pullets will be enough. Thank you.
All right. All right, video, we're clear for Zoom.
All right.
Sorry about that, video.
That's quite all right.
Yeah, it's a bamboo coral.
Would you like to see anything else on that coral, Science?
I don't see any animals hanging from it.
Would you like to see anything else on that coral, Science?
I don't see any animals hanging from it, so I think that's good enough. Thank you.
All right. It does end at some point, doesn't it? Oh, there it is.
Nice fly out.
Thank you.
Nice fly out.
Thank you.
There's a big hole coming. But
I
it
agree
continues.
with you.
It continues on beyond it.
Okay.
But 12 meters wide.
Still far enough away from the
For me,
hard objects here for safety?
yeah, I think so.
All right.
Yeah. I'm 33 meters off bottom, and your
Pilot.
sonar's.
Can we
Go ahead.
please look at that sponge on the right?
Sure thing.
Thank you.
I'm going to bring the winch up some more.
Copy that.
Can we
Go ahead.
please look at that sponge on the right?
Sure thing.
Thank you.
I'm going to bring the winch up some more.
Copy that. Let me know if I get behind here and you're starting
Yeah,
to head
yeah.
into
You
rocks
seem to be okay.
in front of me.
there might be something just beyond it on the base.
Yeah, a purple object of some kind.
One of those acorn worms or something, maybe.
We'll call this a 2 for 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go for zoom on the sponge here video.
Roger that. There's a little coral on it as well.
Are we able to take a closer look at that
That is
stream?
full zoom. If you
okay.
can tilt
fine.
up or
Are we able to take a closer look at that
that is
stream?
full zoom. If you
okay.
can tilt
fine.
up or we might be able to see.
That's what I'm thinking, yeah.
There you go.
Oh,
It's cooperating.
that's a good one.
Nice shot.
You're about to run out of wick, pilot.
Copy that. You also seem to be, there's a projection coming out there that's going to be a little closer to you.
Yeah, we're going to have to go up. So you're going to have to move along.
Alright.
I'll start pulling wide here for you.
Yeah, pretty
Also,
sure.
pilot, do you see that red coral on the left?
You're going to be out of time.
Yeah, I don't think we can stop and look at that one, Science.
Okay.
We can maybe do a real quick zoom on it.
Yes, please.
Yeah, let's
Get on in
and
there.
take a look at this guy if we can.
Yeah, that's an acorn worm. And
Okay, that's
left
my fault.
one.
Let me get out for you.
Okay.
Okay, that's
left
my fault.
one.
Let me get out for you.
Okay. There we go.
It's the coral though after.
Yeah, I know. Rolling.
Start to come up on the winch.
Copy that. Alright, when you've got enough usable footage here, video, it's time to go.
All right. I think we're good.
Alright.
So I'm
We
heading
gotta
towards
go.
this structure down here, Tom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll try to make some tracks here. There's another acorn.
That's a scary piece of topology.
It's interesting.
No, scary.
Mhm. I'm headed straight north now. Coming back towards you.
And it drops off because I now have 37 meters below me.
Looks like drops off is an understatement.
Yeah, pretty much.
Pilot, this is science.
Go ahead, Science.
Do you see that little coral in the middle of those two whips to your right? Now it's in the middle of the screen.
The stocky one?
Yes, like a bottle brush.
Yeah,
Can you take a look at that, please?
sure.
Not for long, I fear.
Still behind you?
You are indeed.
Alright. I will stop and look at this one object and then press onward. Alright, video. I think we're stable.
Want to maybe tilt down or some other critters on here. Some brittle stuff. Want to maybe tilt down or some other critters on here. Some brittle star and an amphipod. Is that a shrimp?
I think it's another squat lobster.
Yeah, I see the arms now, yeah.
What kind of coral is this, Science?
This is golden coral.
Thank you.
Because the skeleton usually has very bright metallic colors when it's dead.
I see.
Yeah, you can sort of see a golden metallic hue to it. Do you want to look at the base, at the hold fast, or do you want to tilt down? If we're going to be able to see it, yeah, we have a pretty good view of it this time. Zoom out a little bit. That's enough of that. So I got a little hermit in the background there. That's enough of that. So I got a little hermit in the background there.
Nice little community.
Go to a quick look for him if we want. Want to tilt up a little bit, yeah. Almost like he's got an eggshell. It's almost very spherical.
About time to go, co-pilot?
You got a few more minutes, it looks like.
Wide. Is there anything else of interest?
Anything else you'd like to look at, Science?
No, that was good, thank you.
Awesome. All right, off we go. So should I spin out to the left here instead of driving under the tether?
You'll be in free water.
Under the tether?
You'll be in free water.
Sorry, let me get you full wide here. There you go.
Thank you. Oh, it dips away from me again.
Hermit.
It's going to do the same as the last one. It's going to curl around on your left as you move into it. And just follow it up,
Copy
trending
that.
towards the north.
Interesting geologic features we have here.
Yeah.
Interesting wall that appeared
Pilot, this is Science.
Go ahead, Science.
Can we take a look at that crab on the coral, please?
Sure.
Bottom left corner.
Alright, video, let's examine this crab.
Go ahead, Ridge. Thank you very much.
That's full zoom there.
Copy that.
Bridge was just advising me that the heading is shifting slightly right, pilots.
Copy that, Nav. Thank you.
Come out wide, see if there's anything else.
Anything else of interest here, Science?
Yeah, what about that?
Anything else of interest here, Science?
Yeah, what about that coral on the far right? On
The little white one?
yeah, the little white one.
Okay. Yeah, Copilot, am I good for zoom on the camera platform?
Yeah, go ahead, video.
Okay, thank you.
Oops.
Yeah, we're
Did you turn the tail light on here, Copilot?
Where's the tail light?
It's LED A.
Maybe tilt up with a.
I getting the tether in somewhere it shouldn't be here.
Yeah, pretty
I
close.
need
Yep.
to come back out here. Better view what you're doing there.
So I can't see from your sonar what's beyond where you are.
Is that the direction that you're headed?
I am headed, yes, that way, across screen.
No man's land?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll work this one quickly.
Getting a lot of popping happening on OKEX.
I am only 12 meters off bottom. You can see in my tail or my tether cam, I'm getting close to these rocks.
Yeah. Okay, video, let's do like a 10-second zoom on this if we can.
Yeah. What about that coral on the far right?
The little,
On
the little white one?
yeah, the little white one.
Okay. Yeah, Copilot, am I good for zoom on the camera platform?
Yeah, go ahead, video.
Okay, thank you.
Oops.
Yeah, we're
Did you turn the tail light on here, Copilot?
Where's the tail light?
It's LED A.
Maybe tilt up with a.
Am I getting the tether in somewhere it shouldn't be here?
Yeah, pretty close.
I need to come back out here.
Yep.
Better view what you're doing there.
So I can't see from your sonar what's beyond where you are.
Is that the direction that you're headed?
I am headed, yes, that way, across screen.
No man's land?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll work this one quickly. Man's land?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll work this one quickly.
Getting a lot of popping happening on OKEX.
I am only 12 meters off bottom. You can see in my tail or my tether cam, I'm getting close to these rocks.
Yeah. Okay, video, let's do like a 10-second zoom on this if we can. And then
Roger that. I'll give you my quickie zoom.
I can probably come up, but I don't want to do anything until you get that tether off those rocks.
Get in here and It's probably about what we can do tight there, so I'm going to come out
I think
here.
you need to get the tether off the rocks.
All right, plumbing full wide. Okay, you're clear to move.
This is a little port turn.
Navigate.
And away from the wall.
Let's just get up here. Ah, there it is.
There it is.
Okay, that's where it's going.
I'm going to put my tail right into the current here. That ought to make it really stable.
EX, this is Jakarta. Thank you very much. We don't need the lasers on anymore.
Copy that.
Alright, video.
Oh, wow, that looks... Roger that.
Lasers are off.
Going in for a zoom.
That is a very good shot.
See the movement of the star. See if we can go in on one of the polyps.
Science, this is Nav. What kind of coral is this?
This is a primnoid coral. It doesn't have much of a common name. That's a family name, Primnoidae.
Good luck spelling that, John.
Co-pilot, I want to try to
Thanks.
close up on the sled if that's okay with you. On the
You can
camera
call
look.
it
video.
the C-fan.
You can tilt with me as you go.
Very generic.
A C what?
C-fan.
C-fan, gotcha. C.
See if we can go in on one of the polyps.
Science, this is Nav. What kind of coral is this?
This is a primnoid coral. It doesn't have much of a common name. That's a family name, Primnoidae.
Good luck spelling that, John.
Co-pilot, I want to try to
Thanks.
close up on the sled if that's okay with you. On the
You can
camera
call
look.
it
video.
the C-fan.
You can tilt with me as you go.
Very generic.
A C what?
C-fan.
C-fan, gotcha. C-fan with a brittle star?
Yep.
Thank you
That's
very
right.
much.
No problem.
Oops. Sorry.
It's quite all right. Pretty hard to...
These things are touchy.
Yeah, it's kind of one thing or another.
possible that that's not the world's finest control.
You think?
I think. It's been my experience with it.
Oh, come on.
Alright, video and science.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and come out wide and show a wide shot.
Copy.
Sorry, I got a little absorbed in the camera platform there. I apologize.
That's alright, but it is time
20
to start
meters below
thinking about
me.
moving.
And
you have a little bit of slack there, but
Yep, but you're looking almost south at me, so I'm going to try to jump out and actually get
your
north of
full
you.
wide pilot and your full wide co-pilot.
Copy that. Up and away.
This is a primnoid coral. It doesn't have much of a common name. That's a family name, Primnoidae.
Good luck spelling that, John.
Co-pilot, I want to try to
Thanks.
close up on the sled if that's okay with you. On the
You can
camera
call it
platform.
video.
the sea fan.
You can tilt with me as you go.
Very generic.
A C what?
Sea fan?
C-fan, gotcha. C-fan with a brittle star?
Yep.
Thank you
That's
very
right.
much.
No problem.
oops, sorry.
It's quite all right. Pretty hard to.
These things are touchy.
Yeah, it's kind of one thing or another.
It's possible that that's not the world's finest control.
You think?
I think. It's been my experience with it.
Oh, come on.
Alright, video and science.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and come out wide and show a wide shot.
Copy.
Sorry, I got a little absorbed in the camera platform there. I apologize.
That's alright, but it is time
20
to
meters
start
below
thinking about
me.
moving.
And
you have a little bit of slack there, but
Yep, but you're looking almost south at me, so I'm going to try to jump out and actually get
your
north of
full
you.
wide pilot and your full wide co-pilot.
Copy that. Up and away.
On
You
the
can
camera
call it
platform.
video.
the sea fan.
You can tilt with me as you go.
Very generic.
A C what?
Sea fan?
C-fan, gotcha. C-fan with a brittle star?
Yep.
Thank you
That's
very
right.
much.
No problem.
oops, sorry.
It's quite all right. Pretty hard to.
These things are touchy.
Yeah, it's kind of one thing or another.
It's possible that that's not the world's finest control.
You think?
I think. It's been my experience with it.
Oh, come on.
Alright, video and science.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and come out wide and show a wide
you.
shot.
Copy.
Sorry, I got a little absorbed in the camera platform there. I apologize.
That's alright, but it is time
20
to start
meters below
thinking about
me.
moving.
And
you have a little bit of slack there, but
Yep, but you're looking almost south at me, so I'm going to try to jump out and actually get
your
north of
full
you.
wide pilot and your full wide co-pilot.
Copy that. Up, up, and away. That does resemble a fish.
Does indeed.
With wings.
You have a little bit of time.
That is a chimera, I think.
What's the name again, Science?
It's, let me confirm.
See if we can get you a nice side shot here.
Yeah, I think that's a chimera.
Chimera.
Closely related to sharks. It's been around for a long time.
Interest in getting a better shot of it than this, Science?
There's your slack, Tom. You're good.
Copy that.
Sorry, can you repeat that, pilot?
Oh, is it something we want a closer shot of than this, or?
Yes, please.
Alright, we may have to try to float this video.
Roger that.
Those are
Here, go for
lateral
zoom
lines.
if you want to try
Those
it.
are sensors. Yep.
We could
Wow.
tilt down. Yeah, thank you. He's
Amazing.
going to swim into the shot for us, it looks like.
Pilot, can we please get the lasers on for a second?
Sure thing. I don't know if we're going to see him. Oh,
Perfect.
Wow,
That's good
He's
enough.
big.
Now we know.
he's very big.
Lasers off?
Please.
Lasers are off. Nice, Tom.
I didn't realize he was that big.
Definitely sees you.
I think it's safe to say that he doesn't think we're improving the neighborhood.
Oh, you're close to him, too. That's a heck of a close-up.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. That's pretty cool. Get some detail on the eye there. Come a little wide for you.
Where's his gills?
That's a good question.
I don't see any gills.
Thought that might have been the mouth.
I'm 16 above the bottom, which means I'm getting closer to something.
Copy that.
I'm 16 above the bottom, which means I'm getting closer to something.
Copy that. Getting some good perspective on the sled cam there.
Yeah, let's try to get a push in on that if that's okay with you, co-pilot.
Go ahead.
Get a sense of scale. Awesome. I'm gonna go for the
Beautiful. Is that the taillight?
You would ask that, wouldn't you, Roland?
That help video?
It's so pretty, you just have to see it.
we're gonna get blocked by a Herc here.
Oh,
That
sorry
will come
about that.
around here for us. See the other side.
We'll get a nice head-to-head shot here if we can.
Might just touch her over on the pan a little bit.
Yeah.
I know it's gonna.
Touching on this.
Yeah, it's pushing. Call it that. Oh, that's awesome.
And I'm now to 14. I'm going to have to, can you zoom wide?
Yeah, yeah. All right, Mr. Director. Yeah, I know. We're getting no shortage of opinion.
I'm going to turn your aft light on again.
Copy that.
Okay.
There you go.
Going to raise the camera platform.
Go for it. We'll work this guy for just a little bit longer.
Yeah,
and
we
then
got lots of
Yeah.
up here, it looks like. Is that tether going underneath you as well? I think it is.
I don't
Give
know
you a
if
little
it's
more
under me.
perspective there.
Zoom on the camera platform, please.
Come in. Coming in.
He looks like he's thinking about eating us.
He's on this side. You're on this side. You're good. You're good. Okay, you can zoom wide on the camera platform. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, we certainly don't concern him very much, do we?
I'm just amazed how many fish just sort of go, who's he? We don't care.
He's probably as curious as we are, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Either there, he's playing dead. He's moving his fins, though. Wings.
Well, that's a neat move. Wow.
It's just keeping track with the current, huh?
Yeah, he's just hanging here.
Yeah, we're gonna get blocked by a herc here.
Oh,
But
sorry
we'll come
about that.
around here for us. See the other side.
We'll get a nice head-to-head shot here if we can.
Might just touch her over on the pan a little bit.
Yeah.
I know it's gonna.
Touching on this.
Well, pushing. Call it that. Oh, that's awesome.
And I'm now down to 14. I'm going to have to, can you zoom wide?
Yeah, yeah. All right, Mr. Director. Yeah, I know. We're getting no shortage of opinion.
I'm going to turn your aft light on again.
Copy that.
Okay.
There you go.
Going to raise the camera platform.
Go for it. We'll work this guy for just a little bit longer.
Yeah,
and
we
then
got lots of
Yeah.
up here, it looks like. Is that tether going underneath you as well? I think it is.
I don't
Give
know
you a
if
little
it's
more
under me.
perspective there.
Zoom on the camera platform, please.
Come in. Coming in.
He looks like he's thinking about eating us.
He's on this side. You're on this side. You're good. You're good. Okay, you can zoom wide on the camera platform. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, we certainly don't concern him very much, do we?
I'm just amazed how many fish just sort of go, who's he? We don't care.
He's probably as curious as we are, I guess. I don't know. Either there, he's playing dead. He's moving his fins, though. Wings.
Well, that's a neat move. Wow.
It's just keeping track with the current, huh?
Yeah, he's just hanging here.
I'm full.
Okay,
I'm
I'm
gonna go
back
in.
up to 20
If
off
you could,
bottom,
if it's
I'm
okay
gonna
with you, I'm
start
gonna go in
to
for
push.
just another push here. I could tilt up just a little bit. We're getting into the sweet spot of the light here.
He's going to swim right through for us.
He's got some scars.
Not bad.
Okay.
Nice job, Tom.
Yeah.
We should probably carry on, guys, but thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was fun. All right.
I guess we're all fishermen at heart.
Onward.
It's just keeping track with the current, huh?
Yeah, he's just hanging here.
And full.
Okay,
I'm
now
gonna go in.
back
I'm
up to
gonna,
20
if
off
you could,
bottom.
if
I'm
it's
gonna
okay with
start
you,
the
I'm gonna go in
push.
for just another push here. I could tilt up just a little bit. We're getting into the sweet spot of the light here.
It's going to swim right through for us.
It's got some scars.
Not bad.
Okay.
Nice job, Tom.
Yeah.
We should probably carry on, guys, but thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was fun. All right.
I guess we're all fishermen at heart.
Onward.
Just a quick update. We're roughly 400 meters from the way.
Need a couple loads of those rocks in my backyard. I got some retaining walls to build.
These would be good rocks for that.
I would think, yeah, nice and square and chunky.
They're very chunky.
Let me go to the other ones. There's your cable out there, so it doesn't appear to be hanging below you anymore. I am now 27 meters off bottom.
I think we're
Still
looking
hauling
good.
in, but I think I'll ease off on that for a little bit.
Copy that. I'll see if I can avoid finding anything interesting long enough to get in front.
That's not going to happen.
Probably not, no.
Where's your other float?
But I'm catching up.
Can't find your other float.
Give you a little zoom there.
I've lost them both. That's okay.
They're somewhere on the up part of that curve.
Seems to take out. That seems to be good.
That's a leaf.
Huh.
It's a long way out of place.
Almost looks like lichen that you would see on terrestrial volcanoes, you know, and
Yeah, those light blue patches.
the green underneath the rocks and stuff. It's kind of weird.
Chimera.
Alright, video, this is a really horrible angle, but
Yeah, if it's too difficult, we can just carry on and try to find another one.
Well, we can take a look. I don't know what we're going to be able to see from here.
Oh yeah, I mean this angle. I mean we can get information from this side too. Yeah, it was very good.
It's kind of an interesting perch, but
Yeah.
Thank you, pilot. What about that white one on the side, on the left?
the white one we can take a look at.
Okay, thank you.
Try to get a little closer. We keep going up.
Yeah. Pulling in the camera platform.
Oh, pilot, there's one of those yellow ones we just passed, but
I don't think it's
but
a good
it's
idea.
okay.
Yeah, I don't think we can stop at this point,
It's okay.
Science. Sorry about that. Terrain.
There's a nice shot where your lights are coming over the. Getting a cramp.
Yeah. And still going up. All right, video, all yours.
Roger that.
please tilt the camera up, pilot?
Sure.
There's
Science, is this another white coral?
Oh, no, it's not a coral. Not sure what it is, actually.
Excellent.
Definitely not a coral.
Interesting. I'll put something interesting with brittle stars.
Should name it after yourself, John.
Maybe I will.
John's fuzzy white bush thing.
I'll jot that down, Tom.
okay. I'm gonna pull full wide. Not really, or coming out wide, I should say. Do we want to get a size on this, or?
Sure. Let us know when
Yes,
you're ready
please.
for
Yeah,
the
you might want to
lasers.
tilt down a little
Yep.
bit, and then you can turn on the lasers.
Lasers are on.
All right, there we go.
It's not an especially large specimen.
Yeah.
Looking right down at me here, pilot.
That's good. Thank you, pilot.
I'm sorry, what?
Sorry. You're looking right down at me, looks like.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And I'm
Alright.
15 meters off the bottom.
Copy that. Alright. And off we go. Excellent.
And I'm
Alright.
15 meters off the bottom.
Copy that. Alright. And off we go again.
Okay, so your tether's on the rocks behind you here. You can see it just lying there.
Yep.
So you want to pull out a bit and fly away.
Come up and stretch it out here.
Yeah.
Gently. I think I'm gonna turn out this way.
Disengage the lasers when you get a chance to. Perhaps you could tilt. I don't know if you should tilt up or tilt down, pilot. You tilt down.
Tilting down.
The pole is in. Drift test. We had about
Coconut shell or
0.25 knot
something.
speed to a bearing of 350 degrees.
Copy 0.25 knots.
Almost due north.
Thank you, Nav.
Not a problem.
Look at the shrimp right there. Please.
Sure.
Yeah.
Want me to just tilt,
Tilt.
video?
Yeah, I think you can just tilt down, and we're pretty well. Nice. Nicely laid out for us.
That is a very photogenic shrimp.
So you tilt down just a bit more, if you please. Thank you, sir.
There we go.
Perfection. Full focus on our fella here.
Yeah, sorry about the bouncing.
That's quite all right. We're full zoom, so it's pretty stable, all things considered. Definitely giving you the eyeball there. Or
Having
two.
a staring contest.
That's right. Interesting head-on view of a shrimp. Seems to be a lot of this species of shrimp here.
Yeah, we've seen a number of them.
Bridge, this is ROV nav. Go ahead.
Till we proceed to waypoint 3.
We're very close to the top of this thing, Nav. If
Agreed.
you wanted to
Okay, thank you, Seattle and Jakarta. Nav, this is Science.
converge.
Go ahead, Si.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go for waypoint 3.
Okay, I'll notify the bridge and give them the coordinates.
Thank you.
So it looks like they're going to be coming southeast here, pilot. I'm still looking northwest at you, just so you know.
It looks like our heading's going to be 110, and it's a distance of about 260 meters.
I'll just keep coming. Video, pilot.
This is video.
Yeah, just quick zoom on this white coral center. Hold that. Now, we've definitely seen this before. I just want to... Okay, that's good. Let's come out.
Yeah, if you wanna, please give it a zoom, that will be good. Pilot, this is Science.
Yeah, go ahead, Science.
Can we please look at that sponge, please?
Certainly. Video. We
Copy.
are planted.
I think that tells the story.
Alrighty.
ROV's full wide.
There's another coral science. If we're interested, this is an opportunity.
Yes, let's look at it, please.
Go for zoom there, video. Okay, we can go macro.
That is macro, sir.
Oh, I see.
That is just little itty bitty.
Yeah, alrighty. Okay, out slow.
Pulling out.
Let's hold that right there for a moment.
Holding.
Okay, done with that.
Pulling out. We're full wide.
We're stable.
Zooming.
Oh, nice, hold that. Never seen feet quite so long.
It's like he's got feelers on the ends.
Can we get the lasers, please, pilot?
Lasers.
Lasers on.
I'd like to zoom in for our macro after we get these lasers shot.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, back in video. Okay, I'm going to tilt down. See if I can get some more feet here. There it is for the foot fans. It's not traveling at all. It's hanging out.
if it still eats from the center beak, or if it uses these feelers somehow to pull in nutrition.
Oh, time for me to get moving here.
Pulling out. Can we hold this medium shot for a bit?
All right.
And zooming full wide. Can lift off whenever. Or full wide.
Okay, video.
Pulling in.
There's something inside. There's a crab in the sponge.
It's max zoom. Appears to be 2 crabs in there.
Oh, yeah.
EX, this is PMEL.
Got about another minute here, pilot.
Another crab at the bottom.
EX, this is PMEL. EX, this is PMEL.
Pulling full wide.
Okay.
We are wide.
You are back under the sled.
Roger that. This is... I haven't seen one this dark before.
Yeah, is it a black crinoid? Go ahead, Bridge.
Okay, video.
Copy. Thank you, Bridge.
It's pretty interesting with the yellow and the purple there.
That is full zoom. The bridge is going to rotate the ship left.
Roger that. Have no problem. Okay, let's come out a little bit, video.
almost looks backlit.
You know, I've never seen the long arms without the feathers on them. Okay.
Pulling wide. You're full wide. Co-pilot, I'd like to zoom your camera in if that's okay.
Go ahead, video.
That looks different.
EX, this is PMEL. EX, this is PMEL.
It's a sponge with a lot of something else.
Site 2, they're on PMEL just called you. You have to release your red mute mic on the top right. PMEL was just calling you. Do a listen and talk on PMEL. I think your mic was muted.
Okay, video, we can work
Thank you,
on
Roland.
this here. I'm full tilt up right now, I believe. Yes. So I guess it's a sponge with some bacteria or something growing. Or maybe that's dead sponge.
PMEL, excuse me, EX, this is PMEL.
Something growing on the top. You want to see it? Or not really? Pilot.
Keep coming out.
Jakarta, this is PMEL.
Okay, copy.
PMEL is Jakarta. Go ahead.
You guys have any trouble raising the EX?
I've been hearing them try to respond to you, Nathan.
Off we go.
Seattle, this is EX.
Could we come out on that camera platform video, please?
Copy that.
Seattle, can you confirm you hear Jakarta?
Sorry, I mean 3.5
Roger that.
hours
Thank you.
from here, from now.
Oh, great googly moogly. Can't see the top of it. I got to rise a little bit here.
Want to go with lasers, co-pilot?
Yeah. It's a very large sponge.
That's really big.
Very, very large.
I'm going to push in co-pilot.
Roger that.
Pilot, can you swing around so we can get a sled shot as well?
Yeah. Well, yeah, let me,
Something.
I'll give you my good side.
Movie magic.
You can kill the lasers.
Lasers killed.
Pilot, this is Science.
Hi, Science.
Can we please get a macro on the shrimp?
Okay, stand on this side.
Yeah, let me get myself
Okay.
position here. Oh, is he gonna cooperate?
Yep,
I think he's
look.
getting ready to flee. Okay, let's try to get a little slow zoom on cam platform here.
On the camera platform?
I mean,
That's what I thought.
you know what I mean.
I do.
Let's hold that for a moment.
He decides to hold on for another second.
Okay, we can push in a little bit more here. Hold that.
See those little hairs coming off his knees?
Cam platform, you center up there, co-pilot.
I'm full right limit here.
Oh, shoot. Such a pretty picture. There we go. I can hang on long enough for you to swing all the way around.
Give it a shot.
Your full's wide platform.
Thank you, video.
While you're holding on, can I try a little more macro? No? No is okay.
Let me just tilt up a smidge here.
Yeah.
Come in a little bit more.
X. Okay. Pushing in on the platform.
Okay, zoom in.
Pulling out on the ROV.
Yeah, max up tilt.
I think we got something to
EX,
make
this
something
is
of that.
PML.
You may want to do a rotate around. I see the
This is
backside
EX. Go
looks
ahead.
a little different in the sled shot.
Alrighty.
You want to go with this zoom as you rotate?
Hey, could you give us a
Back
kind of
to a
ETA
little
on
more.
when we could get it waypoint 3, kind of going at this speed?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear. Say it again, sir.
Okay.
Closer.
We're a little
Okay, come
concerned that
back
we
a
might
little
get
bit
there
more.
before the 3 hours is up, and then we need
That's
someplace
now
else to
full
go.
wide.
Yeah, I
Oh,
thought
okay.
it was
Yes.
close. Okay.
Your mic is mute.
Now this is science.
Go ahead.
Could you please zoom out on the map?
Okay. Is that good?
A little bit more, please.
Look how well you're lighting it from the camera platform's point of view.
You talking to me, video?
I was talking to pilot.
Alright.
I was just commenting on how well the ROV is lighting it for the platform. You can see the different textures. We've got lots of this, so whenever you're ready, pilot.
Okay. This current is
Seattle, this is EX.
challenge.
You don't make it look so.
Well, it basically pushes you
This is
down
Seattle.
into
Yeah.
the hillside.
Yeah, it seems like we're not seeing many things around this area either.
That's interesting.
I think we have a couple options. One would be to head back to waypoint 2. We won't make it to waypoint 2, but and also I don't see how much we'll see different from here. And another option that I see is just
Go ahead, Bridge.
keep going shallower until we have a map available, and then maybe starting going downslope along the southern face of this feature.
Thank you, Bridge.
Found the star inside as we depart.
Okay, roger that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bridge said that
But
the service.
Okay, video.
Sorry, sir.
We're right up on it now.
You can put it here.
I just know what you like to shoot. Yes, you are.
I'm bobbing around here a little bit.
Yeah.
Let me get myself. Well, you can see this thing whipping around in the current here.
That's macro. That's max focus inwards. So
Oh.
Yeah, that is whipping. It's got an interesting stock to it.
Stalking the stalk.
stock I can get closer to. That's max zoom. can give you a little zoom out on this, so the people at home don't get sick.
Certainly doing the Watusi.
Okay, pulling out.
Now we should probably put a target when we linger an image.
Okay.
So this would be pale pink crinoid.
Pulling full wide. And we're clear.
About one screen from now. Another one. Let's look at it.
How did you recognize that as a coconut? It's quite far gone.
It looked like a coconut from the other side. I'm not too convinced now, but
Video. I think it's a rock.
Yeah.
But it has
stuff.
Yeah.
Looks like a squirrel standing there in miniature. Down and low here. That. Okay, now it's an elephant. Sorry.
I see an elephant.
He's happy.
That looks like an iron pellet center screen.
Yeah, there's definitely some iron here.
Now this is pilot. This is science, sorry.
Go ahead.
I think it will be a good idea to ask the ship to stop as we look at this area, and I don't know, pilot, if you think we can explore close to waypoint 3 if the ship is stopped here.
All right, I'll tell the ship to stop.
Okay, thank you.
Bridge, ROV nav. Yes, that is correct.
Little worm, you can just barely see it poking out the end.
Yep, tube worm.
Thank you, Bridge.
This is as rocks go, a fairly rich one.
The bridge has stopped the ship.
Alright.
Looked like there was some type of movement lower left in that
Lower left
cave-ish section. Down in there.
Somebody would be likely to hide in there.
Nope.
Not seeing anybody at home.
This that rain or I hear back there? What do we want to see? Is that rain or I hear back there? What do we want to see?
Did we get a good look at that? I thought it was a hermit crab on the coral, or
I think that was a
the
snail.
white coral.
There was a snail on the coral to the upper right.
Santiago, I didn't hear you.
He was asking for the hermit crab on the white coral.
Did you hear what Rainer said?
Hermit crab on white coral coming up.
Yeah.
We did image it, but this was our max zoom. That is max zoom.
Iron, yes. Oops, sorry.
Are we ready to pull out?
Yeah, I think so. We're receding into the distance on the camera platform. We see the ship slowing and
should be stopped.
Stabilizing here.
Yes, pilot, and
it's full wide.
I think there's a good number of corals on the left that we can.
Okay, video.
Ready for a medium?
Medium.
Pulling out. Want to tilt on it? And going full wide. And we're full wide.
Roger that. Work. Okay, video.
Copy. Cucumber.
That is a very young.
He's rolling the rocks.
Doing what they do best.
Just collapsed.
Yep, there he goes. Here he comes. He's coming after you.
Dancing.
You're full full wide.
Okay.
Pretty quick little guy.
Yeah, let's look at this.
Something
Okay.
red and hiding under the coral. Like antennae.
That's a shrimp. Big shrimp under the rock. Okay, you can go for zoom. He's coming out to see who's picking his flowers.
And my
Yeah, looks
fingers
like
all
a cup
crossed
coral.
up on that one.
Yep.
Full zoom.
Can we get the lasers on, please?
Lasers are on.
Quite a tiny fellow.
Yeah. 2-3 centimeters.
We're full wide.
That's what? Okay.
Co-pilot.
Go ahead.
Over this way, sir.
Let's get a quick zoom on ROV. I just want to see, is that something new? Oh, that's one of those sponges that accretes sand.
Xeno firewall.
Yeah, okay. All right, off we go. Couldn't tell if it was animal or mineral.
None of those.
It's not an animal?
Pilot, this is science.
Yes.
Did you see something like a piece of wood to the right?
Piece of wood. I see a rock.
Here, now keep going. That.
Down, maybe?
Yeah, that one. Maybe it's not. No. No.
Let's get a quick zoom here, video. Just see. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit here.
Zooming in.
Hold that. This is different.
Yeah,
Very.
this is not a sponge. This is a tunicate. Sea squirt.
It's a what science?
Tunicate, he said. Okay, let's zoom a little more. Hold that. Kind of like to see what's inside there.
If you can hold it still, I can zoom in. A little more zoom.
A little sort of zoom away.
max zone.
Okay.
Say
Yeah, waiting for the big yawn. Guess it's not gonna happen.
urchin or anemone? What's your thoughts?
Yes, pilot, please, let's take a look at this. I thought it was an arching, but doesn't seem like.
We call these anemone urchins.
Okay, video.
Looks kind of anemone.
Very short stalk.
There's
It's
macro.
all tentacle.
You can see, just barely see the heart through there.
Mm-hmm. Lots of tentacles.
Okay, I have the results of the drift test. We drifted 17
Video's
meters
full wide.
and 2.5 minutes. We went bearing free 5.
Interesting.
Have we taken a look at this arching before, pilot?
I have not.
Okay.
Don't recall seeing anything like this one before.
Let's take a look then.
Okay, video.
Going for zoom. Truly looks like wood.
That looks like science fiction paperback cover art.
Going for macro. Got a little crab on it.
There's a lot of animals living on it.
Oops. Stop that.
That is max zoom.
Go ahead, Bridge.
Thank you, Bridge.
EX, this is Jakarta.
Go ahead, Jakarta.
Some strange man just came into the room. He's sitting down in front of the computer now. He has a big smile on his face.
Welcome, the strange man.
It's great to be here.
Hey, Tim. Glad to make you made it safely to
Hi,
Jakarta.
Tim.
Video's clear.
Set, Tim.
Hello.
Can you hear us, Tim?
Did anyone see the
Pilot, can we please take a look at this coral? I'm not. I've been having my doubts about it.
Something new, perhaps.
Perhaps.
Okay, video.
Yeah, this was different. That's good. You can tell they're different from the bamboo corals because if you look at the polyps,
Yes.
you can see they have like translucent scales.
Yes.
So that's a primnoid coral.
Pulling out for a medium shot.
Thank you, pilot.
We're full wide. Can we run with lasers on?
Down. Slope.
It's another one of those large objects. I wonder if
I mean,
elongated, yeah, on the right. I wonder if they're like sea cucumbers. Yeah. Can we please take a look at that one?
Right in front in the laser?
No, above it.
Yeah,
In the back. Yeah, has a little stock on it.
The rock-looking thing.
Ah, it just seems like another rock.
Yeah, it's
Well, let's
like
look at the stock, please.
like the rest of us sleep-deprived zombies. We're seeing things. Let's a little more zoom there, please, video. That's good.
Something hanging off the bottom.
I think these are chunks of iron. If I were to pretend to be a geological person.
Okay. I think that is the same rock. Maybe rework from volcanic rock with rich on manganese or iron, I think.
Is there anything specific we want to see
Yeah.
at this?
So that was confirmed from the expert.
What did he confirm?
It's iron, similar to what's found on the
Rework
island.
volcanic rock.
I see.
Rework from volcanic rock.
Okay, I'm going to swing my head north.
There's something round floating towards you when you were.
These are weird. They're two sponges on a single stalk, I think.
Nav is cyan.
Copy that.
Hold that.
Pilot, I'm going to have John take over for a minute. I'm going to run to the bathroom.
Roger.
Got your little fiddler inside.
Someone calling Nav, go ahead.
Yeah, Nav is cyan.
Yeah.
If we can lose the lasers, please. I'm sorry, co-pilot.
I think the
Ready
name.
for more zoom, pilot?
Roger.
Nav, do you hear me?
Yes, I do.
Oh yeah. I think the name is not just volcanic rock, but rework, because there is no outcrops.
Okay, so what do you want to call it?
Rework volcanic rock. You maybe put the rework. REWORKAD.
Okay, we'll rename it.
Some kind like debris.
Okay. Can you write that down on a piece of paper for me?
Okay, Nav. Sorry. Nav? The bottom.
How do you write it?
I'm sorry. Iron rod volcanic, yeah.
The crab just passed that sponge on the left.
I'm totally stretched out here.
Video's clear.
Got to get myself some tether to work with here.
Pilot, can we please look at this brittle star on the coral?
Yes, we can. I knew Just knew there's no sense going by without landing here.
Sensed it.
It's also some kind of creature just next to it as well. It's mostly translucent.
There for your viewing pleasure.
Is that a fish there to the left?
Now.
Just checking.
We're doing brittle stars right now.
Okay, I just don't want them to
Get
swim
to the
away.
fish.
You know what happens when fish swim away?
Yes, I do.
So this is Nat. Is that a coral that a black coral or? I'm not hearing you. You have to.
This is one of those prime node corals that I was talking about.
Okay. And how do you say it?
Prime noid.
Primenoid?
Yeah.
Okay.
PRIMNOD.
Okay.
NOID. Yeah.
Like crinoid only with a P.
Yeah, that's right.
Primenoid. Okay. Okay.
Pilot, could we actually go around and look at the other side of the disc of the
Yes, you can, but
ophiroid?
going to turn just a smidge and satisfy.
Go around and look at the other side of the disc of the
Yes, you can, but
ophiroid?
going to turn just a smidge and satisfy the video operator, so he'll.
Doesn't satisfy me. Just want to
With the
make
sea
sure
cucumber?
you're aware.
Yeah, it's one of the sea cucumbers. It's just a small one.
Yeah, from my vantage point, it looked like a fish.
There we go. Okay.
Yeah, these are different color. They
Yeah.
look different than the ones from yesterday.
Yeah, but he's busy.
He's processing. It's good. This Department of Detritus Management.
Is that all we wanted this guy?
Yeah. Okay, they're really good on a cracker too. All right, we're going to the other side of the coral here.
Video, could we get a partial zoom on the camera side?
You betcha. Say when.
Thank you, video.
Okay, video, we going for the other side. There's your mouth parts. Well, that's scary.
Santiago, can you make sure that the video of this footage right here is saved?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Zoom on the hold fast.
Yeah, can you make sure
was that?
the
Zoom on the
video is
hold
saved
fast at the bottom.
of
Oh,
the
sorry.
opioid we just saw and the whole Ethereum?
Yeah, of course.
It's interesting looking. Okay, I'm going to work up the stem here. Okay. Let's go wide.
Going wide. We're full wide.
All right. First fish on my watch here. Looks like he has a hitchhiker.
You want to zoom?
Yes, please. Hold that. He has some sort of
White.
I think it has a
or some-
parasite.
a little bit more zoom, please.
Maybe an isopod
Hold that.
parasite. Yep, it's an
Definitely
isopod.
has a hitchhiker.
Probably a good image to take. Yeah, it's an isopod.
It could be a copepod.
Look, yeah, it could be, but well, it's
Is that an amphipod?
we think it could be either a copepod or an isopod.
Want to flip to the other side?
Let's try to get a little bit more zoom now. Just in case I lose him. Question is he just hitching a ride or is he chewing a hole in the fish?
They are commonly parasites, yeah, on the gills. Looks to me like an isopod. Can we get any more zoom, pilot? Oh. Oh, there it is.
Want me to zoom tighter?
No, come wide. Let me see if I can get around the other side.
Gonna follow in co-pilot?
Oh, sorry, fella.
Ouch. pushing away from you.
Yeah, I know.
Max soon.
Right.
Mhm.
You're right, isopod.
Yep. Really big. Parasite.
Parasite.
That's it. Turn towards me just a little bit. See if it's got.
It's maximum zoom.
Yeah. Right.
Pulling out.
Okay.
Wanna go with lasers, co-pilot?
Okay.
Wide on the sled.
Oh, sorry, fella.
Ouch.
Okay, let's go for zoom.
It's pushing away from you.
Yeah, I know.
Max soon.
Right.
Mhm.
You're right, isopod.
Yep. Really big. Parasite.
Parasite.
That's it. Turn towards me just a little bit. See if it's got.
It's maximum zoom.
Yeah. Right.
pulling out.
Okay.
Wanna go with lasers, co-pilot?
Okay.
Wide on the sled. Full wide.
There.
Yeah, I'm right over the top of you. And there's that purple crinoid again. Or another one of them, anyway.
Jakarta, this is EX.
Go ahead, EX.
Yeah, are you guys on the chat? Or are you out?
Is that the same base looking thing, or is it a different one?
I think it's the same one, but it's open. See if we can get a quick look inside.
Sneak up for a look, yeah.
Pilot, this is Science.
Go ahead, Science.
Yeah, yep. Feel free to look inside the tunicate, but also like to look at that coral on the left, the big one.
Roger that.
Bridges is nav.
Thank you.
Your command.
Go for zoom video.
Bridge, ROV nav. Okay. Yeah, we'd like to call in a ship move. And it would be bearing 104 degrees. Distance of 528 meters, 528 at 0.1 knot.
This one might be different. Looks a
It's
little
different. We're not in the same place.
Yeah.
Reminds you of the eggs from.
Okay, let me know
body snatchers.
if we have to shorten that. That's okay. Okay. Pilots, we've initiated a move at a bearing of 104 degrees, 528 meters at 0.1 knot.
Roger that. We'll come out here, video. We'll check out that coral to the left, and then we'll
coming out.
Start moving.
It's full wide. It's full wide.
Thank you, video.
Got oil on the lens, left-hand side.
Yeah, we wanna pilot. We wanna pay close attention to animals that live in the coral.
Roger that, Science.
Thank you.
for zoom. Looks like that could be one right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if we go up from base to top and try to see how many of those are, that'll be a good idea. Pilot, sorry. Yeah, I was saying that maybe we go from base to bottom, base to top, sorry, and try to count how many of those. Pilot, sorry. Yeah, I was saying that maybe we go from base to bottom, base to top, sorry, and try to count how many of those we see, and if we can get a good shot of one, that'll be great, or
Sure.
a couple. Thank you.
They've got a.
There's two of them there.
Panning up. There's another one to the left there.
Hmm.
Go ahead, Bridge.
So
Okay.
counted seven of these things in here.
Okay, I think we're going to be
Yeah.
done with this dive before we get to that point, but thanks for checking. I think I calculated it'd be about more than 2.5 hours away, and we've got about an hour and a half left on the bottom here.
Video's clear.
So we should.
ROV's full wide.
Well, we expect to leave the
Pilot.
bottom in an hour and a half.
Oh, did we get the lasers on the coral?
Yes,
The
we did.
lasers were on the whole time.
Oh.
We'll start right in the middle here. Go for zoom video.
Zooming.
This little snail or something.
I think you nailed it. Lose the lasers. Looks like a family of snails.
Too far. Oh, we're getting pushed.
You're full wide.
Yeah, I don't know if we want to sit here, pilot, but this is pretty interesting. There's a lot of
Can I zoom you,
lots of things
co-pilot,
to look at.
on the sled?
Science, do you want to hold the ship here or keep proceeding?
No, I don't think we should hold the ship, but
Co-pilot,
zoom
can I
back in
zoom
video.
on the sled?
We have a few minutes before it's out of range.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you there, Dave? I was asking, can I zoom on the sled?
Oh, yes. You are so soft of voice. You may zoom the sled.
Zooming.
The frame is... Let me pull up here so we can peer underneath.
Pulling out.
Yeah.
Little crab at the bottom. Pulling out.
Yeah.
Little crab at the bottom. Can we also lose the lasers, Copilot? One of them might be full.
Looks like he's digging for goodies in that sponge, huh?
He's digging for
Let's
something.
pop wide on camera platform just briefly.
I think we got enough of the tight, so.
I think so.
I meant from the camera platform, so.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Whatever you guys wish. Video has plenty.
Try not to pull him off by the floats like I did yesterday.
Okay,
Appreciate it, Copilot.
both cameras are full wide.
Ooh.
In pilot, you may not have, Copilot, you may not have heard, but I see a drip of oil on the left of the ROV cam.
I see it.
Video, take note of the left vertical margin of camera platform.
Yep.
I think we... It's an anemone crab. Back up just a hair, get the light under there if you can. No, that's not working. Maybe spin left. Crank yourself around. There you go, that's magic. Right there.
Go for zoom video.
Zooming.
He's hiding.
Can't hide from me. Okay, that's about the best imaging I can do for him.
Okay. Looks good.
Nice shot, yeah. Good job getting that light under there. That looked nearly impossible.
Yeah, just a little bit of right in the right spot there.
Yeah, that's okay. Thank you, pilot.
We're full wide.
Oh.
Can we take a look at this, Coral, please?
Yes. Come right down here.
Hey, navigator and pilot.
Go for zoom. Hello, co-pilot.
Zooming.
What's our ship speed and heading right now?
Yeah, we got a ship speed of 1/10 of a knot.
Max zoom.
We're
Okay.
heading at.
Sorry, not
well,
heading, bearing.
the bearing is to the next target is 104
Is that a
degrees.
male and a female?
104. Okay.
Yeah,
East, southeast.
at 1/10 of a knot.
110. Thank you.
Yeah.
Science, is that a male and a female, or just a big one and a little one?
I do not know. You have to look at them from the other side to tell. But I think it'll be hard to see.
Yeah, I agree. That's pretty small. Just gonna go back in and get a full frame shot.
How's the current down there, pilot?
Current's moving. Last we calculated it was about
Okay.
0.2 knots. So it's moving, but we got some good rocks to perch on down here.
That's good.
Yeah, you
Okay,
can see
video's
that
clear.
that coral in the
ROV's
background
full
blowing
wide.
sideways.
Mm-hmm. Where's it coming from?
I think it's coming from the south to the north.
From the south. So you're kind of facing into it now?
Yes.
Well, I'm pretty much on top of you now.
All right, sounds good. We'll start pushing. You got it.
You won't have much time.
We'll be all right. Can sit down pretty quick here, and we're in a good spot for it. Unless I mess it up horribly, which is always possible.
Mm-hmm. Not likely, though.
Appreciate it.
Well,
Go for Zoom video. To the other side? Yeah, we'll give it a shot. We're getting towards the end of our tether.
That's full wide.
Thank you, video.
If you feel a yanking on you.
Getting tossed around.
You want, I can just snap zoom here.
Yeah, that'd be good video. Sort of on the other side.
No, that's the side they wanted. They're not quite as close.
That's max zoom.
Okay, I think we gotta get going. I'm gonna get pulled.
Yeah. Video, could I get the camera platform wide?
Copy that.
Thank you.
What is that creature as we rotated? Longer tentacles.
I don't know.
Joel, I would head
Go ahead, science. Yes, we can. Go ahead, video.
That's full wide.
Roger that. Coming off you. Before he runs away. See if I can. See a little too far away there?
Science nav. Do you have any idea what kind of skate this is? Okay. I'll call it a skate then. Wow.
That's max zoom.
video. Could I have wide on the camera platform, please?
Pulling wide on the camera.
Thank you.
You're full wide. Can you pan left just a little bit there, pilot?
Doing so slowly because the current's going to push me the second it picks up.
I can zoom out.
That would be better. Thank you. Alright, now would be the optimal time for it to run away.
Should we put the lasers on?
Yes, please.
Lasers are on. We'll have to zoom out a little.
Huh? Most.
Oh. There they are.
The little guy.
Ooh. It's little.
What, 13 centimeters?
About that.
Go get him, pilot.
Oh, I'm gonna go for it.
You're all clear. Video's full wide.
Roger that. There we go.
He's a zipper, isn't he?
Oh, you can't escape that easily.
There he is.
He's fighting now. He's fighting the current.
Yeah. All right. I'll let him go before I make him any more of a mess here.
All right. So
Nice try.
you're about north of me.
Okay, video.
Copy that.
Should I back up a little bit, video? Get a little more light on him, or is this good?
Yeah, please.
See if I can. If you come a little wider, I'll give it a go.
Seems like the stem is catching all the light, not the head.
Yeah.
Try that. It's more evenly lit. Clear?
Hold on 1 second. Okay, video.
Tether might start pulling on you soon.
Thank you, co-pilot.
Pulling for a full shot.
Alright, as soon as I'm done with this, I'll just come straight forward, get underneath you.
Okay.
Okay, we're clear. Video's clear. You're full wide.
It's a debris lava rock, maybe, pilot.
Can we take a look at this coral, pilot, please?
Sure, science.
That looks in bad shape.
Okay, video.
2 different stars on this. That's max zoom.
I'm gonna come down. Back up.
Pulling out. Go for a full screen shot. It's a little Charlie Brown.
Couple shrimps. Can't hear you, Science. I think you said shrimp on the right.
Sorry. Yeah, the one on the right.
Roger that. Go for Zoom video.
Let's see if we can see his little claws. That's max zoom.
Looks like he has X underneath.
Eggs under his belly.
Is it the he that has eggs under his belly?
The he? No. The she.
I thought
think.
you said he, but
Yeah, I think I did. Sorry. My mistake.
You were testing us, right?
Yeah. You're paying attention.
See if the engineers know biology.
not much. I figured this one was the she because it was pink.
Right. That's how you tell.
Got a 2-shot there.
Panning left a little bit. And go for zoom.
Looks like your star's on the backside.
I'm not surprised. I usually end up on the wrong side.
Not you, just the creatures. They didn't know you were coming.
They weren't ready for me.
It's a beautiful color.
Do you know who this is, Science?
I think it's a Plexaurid coral.
Say again, I'm sorry?
Plexaurid.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a spelling.
Pilot, do you want a challenge?
What's that, Science? Do I want a challenge?
Yeah, find the disc of this Ophiuroid, of this brittle star.
I think we might have to come up and come around the other side.
Okay.
We'll go for it.
I want you to keep it in view and circle around it.
I'll do my best.
If you want, I can zoom in so you can work on that.
I don't know if I'll be able to come around while you're zoomed in. That would be, that's level 6 or 7. I'm on level 2.
Just gotta find the button that gets those special tools.
Special power-ups.
Yeah.
That's AABB. Up, up.
I'm still yet to find the A and B button on this control board here.
Well, those are reserved for the Phoenix.
Yeah, as is everything else.
Yes, that's right. There's the button. Nice.
Okay, and zoom video.
That was about a level 4 turn. That's pretty good.
Okay, and zoom video.
That was about a level 4 turn. That's pretty good.
Bumped up my experience points on that one.
It's a hermit too. Yeah, that is great.
Would you like to go down and see that crab too, Science?
Yes, please.
Let me finish the slow pull to full.
Yep, we're no rush here.
Just hold this shot for editing purposes.
Yeah.
And we're clear for the hermit crab. He is really small. Which reminds me, probably run with the lasers as we come out of this.
Is that max zoom video?
That is max.
Wow, nice time.
The lasers are on for when you zoom out.
I'm pulling out.
Oh.
Slowly. And now tilt up for your lasers.
He's about the size of the laser.
Laser dot, yeah.
And then pan left for the
You're killing it.
coral.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Let me just
Lasers are clear.
come up.
We're full wide.
Okay, coming up.
Esponge.
Okay, I think we're good. Well, hey, Carl. How are you?
Hey, Joel.
It's a pretty sweet thing you found right there to the left.
Oh, yeah. Does science want to see that? Sorry, what do you want to see?
More than anything.
Would you like to zoom in on this whitish thing ahead of me?
Yeah, that's one of those
I was talking about
sponges,
the
but
thing on the left there,
if you think we
white
can get
is
a
cool too.
nice shot of it, yeah.
Okay. Video, would you like to zoom in on this?
If you would like it, I would love to.
Well,
He's such a sweet guy down the other end of the room, isn't he?
Maybe if that's the case, we shouldn't zoom in on it.
Joel left us here, so. Whoa. All right. Joel, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm satisfied.
Good enough.
That's the main thing.
That's the crispiest focus I can get.
It looks good. There's a little crab inside, it looks like.
Yep. Is that full zoom?
Yes, that's
Yeah,
max
that's full
zoom.
zoom.
Okay.
We're pretty far away from it.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Okay. Thank you, video.
Copy that.
I'm right over the top of you, pilot.
Copy that. I'll
Video
start
is
heading
clear.
east.
Pilot, can we take a look at this orange coral?
Oh, yeah.
Sure.
Copa, I'm going to finish pushing you in.
Go for it.
Okay. All right, video. You're good to zoom.
Zooming in.
Is the light good here?
Yes, it is, sir.
All right.
Anything in there?
Yep. Those crabs in the center. Two of them, one near the top.
Yeah. I find it interesting that despite the fact these things are thousands of meters under the water where it's dark, they all end up the same color as what they're living in.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh.
Ooh. Sorry, I just lost bottom there. Whoa. Could you zoom out a bit, video? Okay. All right. Any other shots you want?
Just hold something like this for several seconds for editing purposes.
Okay. Can we come out on the sled, please? I'm pretty much at my limit here.
And pulling out. Also
Roger,
pulling
video.
out on the sled.
Science nav.
Go ahead, Nav.
Most recent calculations say we need to leave the bottom in 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, the sled's full wide.
Pilot, this is Science.
Hey, Science.
Can we take a look at the crab on the rock?
Sure.
Okay,
Yes.
going back in.
Hey, Science.
Can we take a look at the crab on the rock?
Sure.
Okay,
Yes.
going back in.
And then you see that animal hanging from this sweep on the right?
Yeah, we're leaving in 5. 5 minutes. Yeah. Let me give you this.
He ran around.
Oh, it's hiding now.
Yeah, I was trying to get into him because he was trying to go around.
Is that a full zoom there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, well, let's try to look at the coral whip on the right, and it has something living on it.
Okay.
Looks
Thank
like.
Alright, video, you're clear to zoom.
Tilt up.
Alright.
You'll need to follow it with your.
I'm coming over slowly. Do you want the pink thing centered?
Yep.
Yes,
That's
please.
max zoom.
Alright. There we go.
Okay, pulling out.
And now we could look at this other coral on the right, please.
The one with the 2 sea stars on it?
Yes.
Brittle stars?
Yes, please.
Okay. How's my tether doing? Your
tether should be fine. I gotta come around here because you're at the end of my pan limit.
Still got
but I'm still pretty
right.
much over the top of you, so
okay.
Should be fine. It's stretched out underneath me.
Okay, video. I think we're good.
Can we come full wide on the camera set, please, if we're not already?
I think we are.
Okay. I'm just making sure because I got to come around and find him again.
Max zoom on the ROV.
We can zoom back in on the camera slide.
Copy that.
Thank you, video.
Okay. You want to tilt up for the second one? Actually, I think there's only one of these guys.
Mm-hmm.
It's got long arms.
Yeah.
I'll just center it for a full screen. You can just tilt down.
Yeah. I don't want to tilt too much because it's so jerky.
Yeah. There we go. That's good.
Right.
Just hold that for a few seconds. And pull it out.
And then, can we look at that shrimp in the back, please?
Sure. I'll just tilt up.
Shrimp in the back, please.
Sure. I'll just tilt up. Alright,
Zooming
video.
in. That may be at the limit of the focus.
Okay.
I got a little bit to play with.
Can we come wide on the camera side? I think I lost it.
Copy that.
Oh. There it is. Thank you.
Is that full zoom video?
No, I think I got some more.
Okay.
Actually, I do not. That is max zoom.
Okay. I won't bother centering him then.
Actually, if you can pan left, that would be good.
Alright, I'll try. Alright. Doesn't want to stay left, but...
Yep, we can see his little hands doing their thing. Zooming out slowly.
Okay.
Show the size. I want to fire up the lasers.
Lasers on.
Yeah, and can we get a full body image of the sponge, please?
Yeah,
Sure.
go ahead and tilt up. Get your sizing.
How are we doing on time there, Nav?
It's about time.
Roger that.
Pulling wide. Alright, video's clear. ROV's full wide.
Copy that video. Alright, Science, anything you want to see quickly here? Otherwise, we'll start heading up.
Just center it up more.
Maybe the, of the substrate here, rocks and things.
Okay.
That'll be good. Thank you.
Max zoom. Small as that is, there looks like there's something living inside.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to show them the substrate, I'll stay focused with you.
So you just want a scan of the rocks around here?
Yeah.
Alright. It's easy enough. Just let go. Oh.
There's an urchin.
Little round thing at the bottom, pink.
Mm-hmm.